everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's Made Up in May is, I don't know what I'm going to call it. It's a soft smoky wing and then a soft blend. That really made no sense, but if you saw the picture you know what I'm doing. Let's get to it because I have no clue, so keep watching. So taking a Morphe E36 brush, it's just a thin pencil brush, I'm going to go in with Fudge. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Couture palette, but they still do these shades as singles, the ones that I'm using, so you can either use them or you can go with similar shades. So what I'm going to do is put this in my crease and I'm going to build it up, but I'm only bringing it to like this. I'm going to slightly flick it out on this edge. And when I get to like this bit here, I'm going to be a bit softer because I want it blended, but I don't want it like uber pigmented. Then taking a Kit Stars N30 brush, I'm going to go in with Morocco. I'm going to place that where I've just put Fudge and blend it in. And when I blend it here, I'm actually going to blend it into the, like, so I'm like sort of in front of the Fudge, because I sort of want to blend that away. And then back in with Fudge just to blend those edges out. Fluffy brush with no product on, I'm just going to buff out that edge. Taking some of the concealer that I used, I'm just going to dab it on the start of my lid. Then cleaning off a brush, I'm then going to buff it right up into this shade. And then this bit here, with the brush that I used Fudge, I'm just going to tickle over it. I don't want to like totally cover it, but I just want to tickle over it. Then I'm going to go in with this highlighter. This is from Alia Collins Cosmetics and it's like a pure white. And I'm taking that and I'm putting this on the front, but because I am doing a smoky liner, I'm not going to take it right to the bottom because I don't want that to interfere with the black I'm going to put down, but I also don't want this falling on the black later, although a little bit has fallen on it because when I was doing this I didn't put it down further enough, but YOLO. So I'm going to put this, start just above where my line would be and start dragging it up. And I kind of want to go like big, like you can see that I've done here. And then getting the brush that I had Morocco on, I'm going to tickle that over the edges at the top because I just want to make sure they're all sort of blended out. And I know I'm going over Fudge with this, which is that darker colour. I will go back into it again, I just want a fluffier brush just to blend this edge out here. Because I kind of want like a rounded shape, but like a blended rounded shape. I'm going to use the Zoeva Kohl pencil. I really love this pencil in my waterline anyway, but it's really good for this kind of thing because it buffs out really nicely. And I'm going to do a thin layer on my lash and then I'm going to make a wing shape. And I want quite a big wing. And don't do what I just did where I tried to go against the tape. I've got a feeling I've messed up my line. Then taking a little pencil brush, this is a Peaches one, I'm going to buff this out. And I'm even going to go on the inner bit, so I want to wiggle it right into the lash. If you pull your skin a little tiny bit you might find it a bit easier, but I'm just going to wiggle it over the line just to soften it. Right, I'm then moving to a flat brush. This is just a Morphe M508, and I'm going to do the bit on my actual lid because I don't want this to go too big, and that pencil brush would have blown it up too much. You see the vibe that I'm going for? I think I've made my wing too big. I hate my life. Anyway, I'm going to go in with Noir, which is the black. Again, this is a colour that ABH stock all the time, so if you have ABH shadows you can use that, or you can just use any black, to be honest. And I'm going to set it all over where I've done that wing. And I'm going to slowly start to smoke it out a bit more with the shadow. Just going to go back in with the silver that I used and just dab at the line where I didn't get close enough. Again, blend it out. Then taking a really small bit of fudge, I'm going to go and start to round this out so it's like curving. I'm just going to put the pencil in my waterline and highlight. And using a Molly O'Brien brush, I'm just going to smudge that out. I'm then going to go in with fudge, which was that dark brown, and I'm going to place that right on top of that black base, but underneath, not on my waterline, just underneath. And then taking that little Morphe brush, I'm going to put that on my waterline with the black. And then taking the My Precise Crease brush by my Kitco, I'm going to just blend in a little bit of Morocco. And then taking Ofra's Glazed Donut, I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And sort of round it up. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back to show you the final look.
Don't think that this was easy. Don't think that I won't warn you.
So guys, that's the finished look. I must admit, I was not feeling this look at first, but I think the lashes brought it together. Again, most of my looks look better with lashes. Sad fact. And I love, with a passion, this lip. This, believe it or not, is a pound lip liner from Primark. I think they must have new packaging or something because it's like one of the newer ones. I've not had this colour anyway, but I think it's newer packaging, and I think they've gone plastic, I'm pretty sure. Like the lid, the tube's plastic now, which I'm not sure about the recycling aspects of that, but then again you sharpen it all the way anyway, so I don't really know. But anyway, it's called Lava and it's orange, and I never normally go for orange. I normally think it looks too harsh. It even makes my teeth look white. Let's just double check I ain't got teeth. Yeah, double checking I ain't got it on my lips, on my teeth, because I normally do that. I topped it with the gloss in Girly by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is like a peachy pink, and like seriously, it's just giving me such summer vibes. I love it so much, and I thought it kind of contrasted with the eye because the eye is so dark and kind of cool with the pale lid. But I don't know, what do you think? I really like it. I was having a bit of a crappy day, I'm not gonna lie, so if I seem a bit like that is why. But I think this lip's cheered me up, as sad as that sounds. But yeah, what do you think? If you have enjoyed this video and my little ramble there, and you want to watch more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell. You see, I'm not like a fancy YouTuber if you're new here. I do my own symbols, I don't have any pop-up things. If you do want to subscribe, that'd be awesome. Leave a comment down below what you think of this look, and don't forget to, I've already said hit subscribe, and now I'm repeating myself. I'm 32, if you didn't know, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, my little rant about it, and I keep forgetting things, so I'm going to put that down to old age, and I've probably been sniffing too many makeup fumes. So anyway, I'm going to go, because I'm rambling loads. Love you and leave you. See you tomorrow. Bye guys! Oh, that was like the most awkward exit I've ever done.